Tanya, are you playing it?
Count.
I want to sit in our
Okay, so I got our contestants, and I'm waiting on our contestants.
He's tagging out. He's tagging
somebody out. Who's playing? Going once? Going twice? And I'm picking somebody else right here. Yep, come on. You can't say no, come on. Okay. You guys suck. Let's see. She's not paying attention. Come play. Yeah, come on. You guys suck. Oh Lord. Who's playing? You know, screw it. Somebody's getting double hurt. You want to play? Come on. Alright, we're going to first introduce everybody.